Welcome to the September 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. In our cover story, got a big project coming up? Take a look at how Acreage Development Solutions handles massive commercial on-site systems with ease. From tricky soil conditions to keeping it all in the family, they've got the know-how to get it done right. Here's a story about the impact of your work on the environment and some clever ways to educate your customers while you're at it. It's about doing good and getting it done right. Take a look at how nitrogen sneaks into septic systems, causing all kinds of trouble. Whether it's agriculture, stormwater, or even lightning, you'll find out what's really messing with your installs and how to fix it. Check out how these contractors battled record rain and stubborn groundwater to upgrade a senior living complex's septic systems. 4 months, tons of mud, and some serious pumping. This job tested everything but their sense of humor. The 2024 Pumps Directory includes pumps for all occasions and applications. Find everything you need on page 26. In the snapshot, a Canadian contractor pushes for common sense rules on land application and weight restrictions. When half-load limits clash with emergency pump-outs, it's time to rethink outdated regulations. Check out the latest in wastewater pump tech. Tough grinders, energy-saving aerators, and reliable sump pumps that handle it all. Compact, durable, and smart, these pumps are built to keep your systems running smooth. See how contractors in Colorado are navigating new on-site system regulations for vacation rentals. From potential loopholes to real-world impacts, this one's got more twists than a mountain road. Romtech Utilities revamped a Portland airport lift station to handle a surge in passengers. Their clever use of prefabricated macerator molds saved time and costs, keeping the system running smooth and solid-free. Check out Orenco's Tank Shield, a revolution in septic safety. This secondary barrier stops accidental falls and keeps kids and pets safe. Find these stories and more in the latest issue of Onsite Installer. Thank you for watching, thank you for reading, and see you next month.